I'm Cadet Castillo, and this is Regulation 5, Annex 3, Regulation 5 to 8. Annex 3, Regulation 5 is the wage. Harmful substances should be properly stowed and secured so as to minimize the hazard to the marine environment without impairing the safety of the ship and the person on board. Regulation 6, Quantity and Limitations. Certain harmful substances may, for sound scientific and technical reasons, need to be prohibited, encouraged, or be limited to as quantity which may be carried aboard any one ship. In limiting the quantity, due consideration shall be given to size. Regulation 7, Exceptions. Jettisoning of harmful substances carried in package form or shall be prohibited except where necessary for false in securing the safety of the ship and saving life at sea. Subject to provisions of the present conventions, appropriate measures based on the physical, chemical, and biological properties of harmful substances shall be taken to regulate in washing.
Good morning, Sir Pascual.
Of leakages overboard, provided the compliance with measures would not impair the safety of the ship and person on board. Regulation 8, Port State Control on Operational Requirements. A ship, when up port of another party, is subject to inspection by officers duly authorized by such party concerning operational and requirements under this annex, where are clear grounds believing that the master crew and that familiar essential shipboard procedures relating preventions of pollution by harmful substances. In the circumstances given a paragraph is of this Regulation 1, the party shall take such steps. Ensure the ship until situation has been brought to order accordance with requirements of this annex. Procedures relating the port states controls prescribes articles. Nothing in this regulation shall be construed to limit rights and obligation of a party carrying out control over operational requirements specifically provided for in the present conventions. Refer to the procedures for port states control adopted by organization by Resolution A7087 or 19 amended by A.882 or 21 and as may further amended. That's all.